Okay, so this is the M9S Pro 8 gigabyte. I got this one for $29. It's an Android TV box. It's great for any TV that doesn't have smart TV built in. And even if you have an old TV, you can use the AV, which is the composite, and it doesn't come with it, the cable, so you have to get it. Or you can use HDMI. This one also have Ethernet, so you can plug it in. It uses 5 volts, and they got 4 USB ports. That's a lot. This USB you can put in the flash drive, hard drive, but it has to be FAT32, I believe. I used exFAT and it didn't work. So you can put the movie into a flash drive and you can play straight from there, which is very nice. I haven't figured out the SD card. I put it in and it didn't seem to see anything. So anyhow, I'm using this one actually for my Audi MMI 2G. This one you can download an app to screen mirroring for the iPhone. It does come with a remote, which is very convenient, and an HDMI short cable, which is good, and the 2 amp 5 volts plug like this for the ACs to DC to power up. Okay, so I'm going to set this up for the Audi MMI 2G. So this one right here is the composite. I'm going to test it out first. So I plug in a flash drive with 64 gig with movies and also MP3s. So when you plug it in a USB drive, they will see it like that, but we don't need to do anything. Now the important thing is that in order for the color to come up, you have to go to the setting and you go to the display, screen resolution, and it has to be 480 CVBS. Okay, that is for it to come up. And let me see if I can turn deep color mode on. So let's see if it come out good or not. Okay, let's go back to home. Alright, so it looks very nice. So let's see if you want to play movies. Alright, so they see 11 news movie. Let's try this one. Okay, so it's reading. Let's play music. So let's play that, all the music in alright. So I'm talking about mirroring. So it's called air receiver light, and it's a trial version. You can buy for $2.99, which I will if it's good, but actually it's pretty good. So when you open this up, when you turn those two on, screen mirroring. You can see it right here. So the trial version is there. The only thing different between this one is that you cannot play, you can play music. You cannot play YouTube or video or something like that. Pandora will do. It's good for map. And then you can rotate it. You can use the iPhone as navigation. So that's about it. I tried to play YouTube. Maybe it's a trial version, it doesn't work or something.
So cool sculpting, yes, it is something that I have tried and I absolutely love it.
It does work.
Having had 2 kids, right, and kind of...
So you have to buy the license, which is not bad, for $2.99. See, it doesn't load. It's been loading the video and it doesn't seem to work. The ad seems to work, but... Okay, so I'll put in the box and the display come out really nice. Okay, let's play some movie. So the sound and everything comes out pretty nice. The remote is working really well. So let's see if we're gonna play some music. Not bad. So we're gonna see if we can screen mirroring. There you go. Well, you pay $99, you don't have $2.99, you don't have that problem. So let's see, Pandora maybe? No noise. Very nice. For the very first time, love in my arms. Driving, you have to turn on the hotspot on your phone so it can connect to your phone. Playing Pandora music. Actually, all you need is this. You don't need a Bluetooth. But the Bluetooth is good. You don't have to use your hotspot. Alright? I like it. So, what we're going to do is, let's see if we put it in the glove box. It still works. And the remote. Let's see if we can still play movies.
3170, we're being held up.
Yeah, we can still do that.
Please don't bring the asshole who forces me to use it.
So, this one will be perfect to replace the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so if you set the fonts to huge, you can actually see it.